In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a credit note in Xero, whether you need to refund a customer, fix an invoice mistake, or apply a credit to future payments. We've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do once you are logged in using your credentials, I want you to click the Sales section on the top menu and click the Invoices. This is where you can find the new credit note, and all you have to do here is super simple. We need to fill out some details such as the contact. You can also choose the issue date, for example, April 4th credit note. If you want to add, let's say, a different number, a reference, currency, you can choose your own local currency if you want, but I'm using US dollar for now. And the tax exclusive, is it going to be like no tax or tax inclusive? It's up to you. And then for the item and the description, you can add one here if you want. And the quantity, say for example this, you can put in a specific price, and Xero will automatically deduct for that. Okay, you can create a new account if you want. For now, we're going to choose the advertising tax rate. And then once you are sure about it, all I have to do is click the Save button. Now our credit note has been added. Now, after approving, you can use this credit note to a specific invoice. Okay, it's up to you. You can approve and print, approve and email to your client, or if you want to add another, you can do that. The three dots icon here gives you all of these options for you. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to create a credit note in Xero, which is actually pretty simple once you know where to look. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.